everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to take you along with me on my journey to complete the painting you're looking at right now. I'm not a professional painter, but if you do know me personally, then you'll definitely know that art has always been something I enjoy doing ever since I was a kid, and it just sparks a really special kind of joy in me whenever I'm doing anything that's related to art. Therefore, recently I've decided to start drawing and painting again as a form of self-care and as a means to spend more time with myself. I also find that painting was able to quiet my mind, and it's a relaxing and easy way for me to focus on living in the now. For today's piece, I will be painting with watercolour and gouache paint. The piece I'm doing today is honestly just a big floral piece combining all the different flowers and leaves I've learned during the past couple of weeks. I've learned all my watercoloring and drawing techniques from Shada Campbell here on YouTube. All her tutorials are well explained, easy to follow, and so I highly recommend her if you're new to painting and drawing too. Painting with the camera on definitely adds pressure, but I also think it serves as a great opportunity to remind me to focus more on enjoying the process, the now, rather than stress over the future results. I've been painting flowers since 2 years ago when I booked my first art jamming session. I've never gave it much thoughts, but now I enjoy painting flowers because they've actually taught me so much during my spiritual journey. In addition, I find that it makes things easier for beginners like myself because all flowers are different, and so there's no pressure to paint perfectly symmetrical flowers or leaves. I think the reason people don't have hobbies today as much as they did in past generations is because we can't bear to do anything we're not fabulous at. I find this quote from A Return to Love by Marianne Williamson extremely true, and it was also what made me decide to start doing things I love again despite not being great at it. First of all, I've noticed that our generation have become overly fixated on the end destination, the end results, not understanding and realizing that our power lies in the now and not in the future. By simply wishing that I'm a better artist will not improve my painting or drawing unless I start practicing now. Secondly, this quote serves as a reminder to me that the end results don't matter as much as the journey itself. At the end of this video, honestly, I think my painting wasn't the best that I can do, and I don't think the footage came out exactly the way I wanted it to. But looking back, I really enjoyed the 2 hours I took to quiet my mind and also attempt to film this video. Through the mistakes I've made in this painting and my filming setup, it made me learn what I should and shouldn't do for my future paintings and videos. Learning that the present moment is beautiful and perfect as it is right at this very moment, learning how to appreciate and live in the present moment really made a huge positive impact on my life. I know this video is very different, but I hope you guys enjoy it anyway, and more importantly, I hope this video will inspire you to start doing things you love again, simply because you love doing them. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!